Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday banking hassles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to get a new or replace your debit card with Canara Bank in 2025. If you've ever needed a fresh debit card for a new account or to replace a lost, stolen, or damaged one, this guide is for you. It's quick, easy, and we'll cover everything you need to know. First things first, why would you need a new debit card? Maybe you're opening a new account, or perhaps your current card has expired or been compromised. Canara Bank makes this process straightforward, whether you prefer handling it online or in person. Let's start with the online method, which is super convenient for 2025's digital world. Step 1. Log in to your Canara Bank net banking portal or mobile app using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, head to the bank's website and sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards or Services section. Look for options like Request New Debit Card or Replace Debit Card. Step 2. Fill out the required details. You'll need to provide information such as your account number, reason for the request, and any personal details for verification. Don't forget to upload necessary documents if prompted, like your ID proof and address proof, to speed things up. Step 3. Submit your request and pay any applicable fees. In 2025, Canara Bank might charge a nominal fee for new or replacement cards, so keep an eye on that. After submission, you'll get a confirmation via email or SMS. If you prefer the traditional route, visit your nearest Canara Bank branch. Bring your ID, account details, and the reason for your visit. The bank staff will guide you through the process, which usually involves filling out a form and waiting for processing. Once approved, your new debit card will be dispatched to your registered address within 7 to 10 business days. Finally, activate it through the bank's app, ATM, or by calling customer service. It's that simple. There you have it, friends. Getting or replacing your Canara Bank debit card in 2025 is a breeze with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.